In this lesson, we're going to look at some new uses of the article, or actually we're going to expand on the idea of using the article with an adjective to represent a noun. So we call this the substantive use of articles. That is, we're going to take an article, we're going to add something to it, and turn it into a noun. So this is in one way of the nominalization. So we're turning a noun, we're turning an article plus something. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at ways to add things to articles to turn them into nouns, the whole phrase into a noun. So this is the substantive use. We're going to turn article plus something, not a noun, an article plus something that's not a noun, and make it equal a noun phrase. So the first of these we've already run across is with articles with adjectives. So takala, notice it's neuter plural, so we might say these are beautiful things. Or hokakos, notice masculine singular, so the ugly or bad man. Or hoi polloi, this actually is a substantive use of the article with an adjective that has come into English. The masses, the many. So there we have our adjective. The article is going to tell us the gender, the number, and the case of that thing, of that noun. So we can use our article with an adjective. We can also use an article with a genitive. So we can say ta, right? So we know that the noun we're going to use is neuter plural, the things, tes poleos, of the city. So the things or affairs of the city. Or here, hoi ton athenon, hoi masculine plural. So we know it's the men. So the men of Athens. Right, so watch that article. It will tell you the gender, number, and case of the thing we're talking about. So we had articles with adjectives, articles with genitives, and then we can use articles with prepositional phrases. So again, we have ta, we know it's neuter plural, the things, en te come, in the village. So the things in the village. Or hoi, masculine plural, the men in the village. All right, so we had articles with adjectives, articles with genitives, articles with prepositional phrases, and finally, we can add articles with adverbs. So ta eke, so here again is our things. The things there. Eke. Or hoi men nun, this is a very common contrast here. Usually it's actually switched around, hoi men palai. So hoi men nun, an adverb, now, and long ago, in case we don't know those yet, now and long ago. And hoi, there's our article, so it's the men of today, literally the men of now, versus the men of long ago or yesterday. So even adverbs can serve the purpose of modifying this article, this substantive article.